Welcome to the video lecture series of Grade 10 Chemistry. Today we will discuss Lesson 4, Carbon and its Compounds. And I am going to discuss about alkyl groups. What are alkyl groups? How is it formed? And what are the different forms of alkyl groups? Alkyl groups is represented by the letter R. So when it is attached in any organic compound, automatically we understand that it is an alkyl group. An alkyl group is formed by removing one hydrogen from the alkane chain and is described by the formula CnH2n plus 1, which means you already know alkane's formula, that is CnH2n plus 2. This is the formula of alkane. When you remove one hydrogen from this alkane group, the formula becomes one hydrogen. When you remove, the formula becomes CnH2n plus 1. So this compound is termed now as alkyl group. Alkyl group. So this removal of this hydrogen results a change from ANA to YL. So alkyl groups are formed by removing one hydrogen from the alkane chain. So the formula automatically becomes CnH2n plus 1. So let us see how we can remove hydrogen and what are the different alkyl groups formed accordingly. So I am taking the first alkyl group as methane. Okay, so methane formula you already know, that is CH4. So when you remove one hydrogen from methane, I'm removing one hydrogen. So minus means 1. I'm going to subtract. I'm going to remove one hydrogen. So automatically it becomes CH3. So this compound we say methyl. You need to remove ANE from the methane and add YL. So this is methyl group now. Which means from methane we can obtain methyl group. Now second alkane series is ethane. Ethane formula C2H6 or CH3CH3. Okay. Now when you remove one hydrogen from ethane, minus 1H, removing one hydrogen from ethane, the formula becomes C2H5. This is called ethyl group. Similarly, you can derive any alkyl group from the corresponding alkane. So, alkyl groups are formed by removing one hydrogen from the corresponding alkanes. Now, from methane, we will get methyl group, ethane, ethyl group. Similarly, from propane, propane formula is C3H8. Or this is the molecular formula. Condensed formula is CH3, CH2, CH3. So when you remove one hydrogen, the formula becomes C3H7. Removing one hydrogen, so formula will be C3H7. Now this is propyl group. So these are the alkyl groups. You can derive any alkyl group from its own alkane, corresponding alkane. So these are the alkyl groups. So generally we write it as R. Okay. So what are alkyl groups? Alkyl groups are compounds in which one hydrogen is removed from the alkene chain. So its formula can be written as CnH2n plus 1. So when you remove one hydrogen, the alkane chain named as YL, alkyl. Alkane is converting into alkyl group then.